Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a very exciting video today. I bought a house and I've talked about me moving like on my Instagram, but I haven't like announced like where I'm moving, if it's another apartment, if it's another city, or if it's like a house or whatever. But yeah, I bought a house here in Tampa and I'm so excited. So in today's video, you're gonna get an empty house tour because I actually have to head over there around 11 because I need to measure some things. I need to order some things and make sure I have everything so it just feels put together when I move in. There's gonna be so many videos of me like moving in and decorating things, especially on TikTok, and then also a couple here on YouTube. Don't mind them, they have like the morning zoomies and they are just playing. But I've packed up a lot of stuff with my best friend Cecily. She's also gonna be moving in with me. And we feel like we've gotten a lot done. We've like wrapped all the fragile things in that green cellophane stuff. Dolce wants to say hi. And yeah, I feel like we've done a lot, and like we still are like only a week away from moving. So I feel like we're ahead of the game. Although I will say there are so many boxes and just so many things, and I'm making sure I'm getting rid of things that I don't need and stuff that I don't want now, so I don't have to do that at the house. But here are like all the boxes so far. We left them open so we could keep packing things in them if they go with that exact category. But my box labels came in, so I will be putting the labels on them today, so everything is super organized when moving in. And then these are all the leftover ones that we have to use. I have a couple errands to run. I'm gonna take the dogs to daycare for the day, which I can't wait to not have to do as much. It's such like a cost because I have a yard now, a fenced-in yard. I'm so excited. So I won't have to take them to daycare as much, which is like $50 every time I take them for the full day. That's like 2 of them together. And then I'm gonna go to the chiropractor, and I don't know how long that's gonna take. It's my first appointment, and I'm gonna get popped. By that time, I'm sure I'll come back home and grab some things and then head to the house. Once I'm fully out of here, I will release the information of where I lived in the unit maybe and stuff, just so you guys could experience this maybe. But I love this apartment, I really do. It is beautiful. I have great views of downtown. I have huge sliding glass doors in all the rooms, and I have a huge patio, and I just love it. And then also in here, it's like so spacious. It's very like industrial. And hi, Dolce. Dolce, can you get off the couch? Off. Dolce, not the other side. Off. Off. Good boy. But yeah, this rug's going in the new house, and like so is this couch. I'm gonna clean it. And yeah, but this apartment's great. I really do love it. It has been a really good apartment to me. It's like one of the very few that are renovated in this complex. It's like a 35-story building, I think. So yeah, it's nice because I got like the renovated complex. So here's like the overlook. All right, I'm gonna head out to do my errands. It is currently, like I said, 8 o'clock, and I will talk to you guys soon. Hey guys, it's Bella. So I'm actually in my new house, and I thought I would give like the little explanation on like why I moved and things like that, and just give you guys a little bit more intel. My dogs are playing right now, so just don't mind them. It's not really like a big story. I think like the main thing came down to just Tampa and like the market and like rent prices going up. My rent was like doubling, and it was already really expensive. And honestly, like I just wanted the freedom. I know you guys remember the situation where I got Delilah and she was just having puppy anxiety, so she would bark, and then I got like the crazy letter saying like I had 7 days to fix it. So then I gave her to my parents for a little while, but like that wasn't like something I just wanted to keep holding on to. I had extreme anxiety like leaving my apartment with her in case she barked again, and then I had to get like a final notice, and it was just like something like I just did not want to deal with. And the freedom, like I wanted more freedom, and I have that in the house. Like I can do whatever I want to it. I can do what, like literally anything. Like it's my house. I own every part of this house, which is like the best part. So I feel like if anything, it wasn't like a crazy like random decision. I've been thinking about it for a while. You know, I'm 22, and I know that's like super early for someone to buy a house, but I've been put in really good positions in life, and like I'm thankful to God for giving me everything that I've always ever needed. And so I felt like taking advantage of this opportunity and just going for it, and I'm super happy I did. I'm in such a good area. I'm literally like a mile from Bayshore, which this is Bayshore if you've ever heard of it or you know about it. Like I'm so close to Bayshore. I'm in a great neighborhood. It's super safe. Everything's renovated in my house. There's been a few issues that the inspection company is fixing because they failed to check them, but like other than that, like it's great. Like I love the freedom. I love not going up, you know, 7 flights of a parking garage to park and then carrying all my bags. It was just like hectic, and I just like wasn't down to rent again. I just feel like being a good steward of my money in that sense. Like, don't come at me for shopping because that's different. But like when it comes to like paying high rent, I'm like, I'm paying 2 mortgages right now. Like I could be paying 1 mortgage and like basically paying myself versus like I'm paying someone else to live, like I'm renting my life. It just like, for me, it just didn't make sense. I've been renting for 3 years from various apartments, and I was just super excited to have my own space. Plus my goal is to definitely have this house and have a few kiddos in it in the future, so that was another big reason. Like I just wanted to establish to myself, I know the interest rates are high, my interest rate is extremely high, but I just felt like this was what God wanted, and it was such a peaceful decision, and this house feels like home, and it's felt like home since I moved in, despite all the crazy plumbing issues. And I'm just super happy that I was able to make this move at 22. Like I'm just like so thrilled, and I love being established in Tampa. Like this is just such a good place to live, and I'm just so excited for my future and just Tampa in general. Like it's just getting better and better here, so it's just a good place to be planted, I think, and I love it. Like I can't ask for a better area to be in. I literally bike to Bayshore all the time. Like me and my best friend Ceci, we have like vintage bikes. It's just like so much fun, and I just feel like I'm really taking advantage of life right now, and I've got myself on track. So that's my little spiel. That's why I moved. And it was a crazy process. Like the sellers were being all like crazy with me a little. It was a little nerve-wracking. So I'll give a little bit more intel on that in like a different video, but I can talk as loud as I want. My dogs can bark. I can like leave whenever I want. I mean, I have anxiety still, but it's not so extreme that I felt like crippled. Like I felt like I could not leave my apartment because of her barking. And I just feel like that's not a way to live life. And my dogs have a huge yard they can run in, and I can go on walks, and it's just, I don't know, it's just like a different kind of life, and I'm an adult now, so it just feels good. So that is the whole story on me getting a house. I'm thankful, I am so grateful, and I'm excited for this new journey. So we'll get into the house tour now and like a little bit of the pack with me, and then I will be doing a full house tour very soon once the plumbing issue is fixed and I have more furniture. Okay, so here's the front door, and when you walk in, we have this pantry. Well, not a pantry, sorry, it's an extra closet, and all the closets have built-ins, which is amazing. So this will be like the dog closet and like extra jackets and whatnot, stuff like that. The house is staged right now because it just got remodeled. So over here, I'm gonna put the big Anthropologie mirror, the 7-foot one. I'll throw up a photo of what it looks like on the screen. And then I have like all this open space. And then here's the kitchen. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. So I have a bar, which is nice, tons of plugs. I'll do 4 stools here. This beautiful countertop. Right over here, I have the pantry, which is amazing. And I'll do some shelving under here as well. Here is the sink area and all of this. So there's tons of storage, and I love this sink. It is my favorite thing ever, and I love all the black details too. Here's some more stuff over here. And then this is a brand new dishwasher, which is really nice. All of my appliances are brand new. So then here is this look over here. And then the island has a really nice stove. I have this beautiful vent hood glass, brand new oven, and then all the storage. And something I really love is a built-in trash can, which is so, so nice. So that is that. I have a beautiful Florida room over here. Let's see if I can open this. So out here, it's gonna be really nice. It's huge in here. They just redid all the floors too, which I love. So I'll do like a TV over here, a TV like stand so people can watch shows out here, like when I have parties and people over and stuff. And then I'll do like a couch or whatever, and then my Peloton will most likely go over here. And then here is leading out to the back. I have a built-in office, so that's really nice. I'll show you guys that in a minute. And then leading back inside, here is this overview, which is beautiful. And then we have a brand new fridge, which I love. And then we have like the espresso coffee area. So this is like, I guess they consider a bar area, but I'm gonna do coffee and stuff like that, more storage. And then I have the laundry room, which is right here. I'll definitely put a dining room table in the same area that they had it. But here is another little overview of this. Love everything about it. And then I love this built-in wall over here. Adds like a lot of character. I'll do some really fun decor over there. I have a nice little electric fireplace, and then I'll put my TV right there. So yeah, this whole space is literally huge, and I love it. It is perfect. All right, so now we're going into the master, which is like right off the espresso bar and then the refrigerator. So when you move into the master, you have a huge hallway. It's like its own suite, which is amazing. And then here is my bathroom, which I love. I love the flooring. I have a skylight, which is super nice for natural lighting. I have the coolest mirrors ever. It has a defrost mode, and then I can change the lighting and all of that stuff for filming or just like different kind of makeup. So that is amazing. Like this is like a literal spa in here. So here is the sink, all of that stuff. Oops, I think like the lighting was too bright. Okay, here we are. This is all custom right here. This whole little, what do you call it? A vanity, I guess. I have 2 sinks, tons of space, new lighting up here as well. And then here is this. So this is actually a wet room, which means like there's no door and that everything is like the same. I'm pretty sure that's what it means. So here is this. I have a waterfall shower. I have this right here, which is great for, I don't know, showering as well. And then I have the tub in here, which they're fixing a few things that I wanted fixed. But here's the tub. And then I have that to put some stuff on. But I'm gonna put like this like teak kind of thing right there in the corner to hold some stuff. I mean, you could fit like 30 people in here. Like this space is really huge for a shower. I love how the tile goes all the way up to the ceilings too. And we have the recessed lighting as well. So yeah, here is the space. So many fun videos to film in here. I am so excited. And then moving on to the master. So I'll put like my arched mirror right here. I'll put a dresser right here. And then here we are with the room. It is really large in here. I got the same size rug, same size bed. Here are my windows, and I'm gonna get some curtains. That goes to like the neighbors. And then they're tearing apart this shed, which I did not want here because it was just not cute. So yeah, there's plenty of space in here. I love it. And then I have 2 closets, which is nice, both with built-ins as well. So here's this, love that. And then they're putting new French doors over here for me. We'll go outside so you guys can see some things. I have this whole covered area for, I don't know, whatever I please. There's Cecily and my mom. So like that's the sunroom, and then like this whole covered area. I'm gonna put like a little swing out here, like one of those like cute swings, a rug, some chairs, and then I have this whole deck too for entertaining, and then that is my office. And then I have all of this yard. They're getting rid of that one. I love having palm trees in my yard. And then this shed is being kept. They're just cleaning it out because I need some storage space. And then moving back inside, this is kind of the view from the inside. So yeah, I love it. I'm super, super happy with everything, and I can't wait to just like film in here and like live my life. It's gonna be so great. But this bathroom is everything with the lighting. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? The lighting is so good. So let's move on to the other side of the house, which is huge as well. Okay, so we're back in the kitchen area, and then if you just take a right, you have the guest bath, which this will be Cecily's bathroom until she's done with school. So it's like blue tile with marble. Gold fixtures, which I love for this bathroom. It is so beautiful. And this is just like such good high quality. You also have a skylight in here, which we love. This custom blue and gold shelving, which is beautiful. And then also the same mirror, just a little bit of a smaller version. And I love the tile in here as well in this bathroom. Huge, huge fan. I have a Nest thermostat that comes with the house, as well as an alarm system and Ring cameras, so it's very nice and secure. This is a random little, I think this is, I forgot what kind of unit this is. What even is this for? Maybe air, maybe this is AC, but I'll put something right there for storage. So this is a 4-bed, 2-bath, plus the built-out shed, which I will show you the office space. So this is the biggest guest bedroom. It is really large, and then you have built-in shelves, and then it leads right out to the deck. So you can see the deck from here. There's Cecily and my mom, and then there's the office. And then once you leave this one, you have the smaller bedroom, which is here. And it also has the built-in shelves, which I will be using all of the shelves in all of the closets except Cecily's. And yeah, so this is like a little bit of a smaller room, but it still has a lot of space. And then this is the second biggest guest room. Looks like this. Love the floors. Brand new hurricane windows were installed, and then here is the closet. So that is the empty house tour. Like guys, the lighting is so good in this house. Like it's just like the perfect house. Like I love it. I'm so obsessed. I can't believe I found this house here in Tampa. Like it's perfect. Mom.
It's not straight.
Mom, you're bending it. All right, get off. Come on. I got it.
Oh my god.
Okay, now grab this side, not the other side. Now bend it. Girl brain.
Oh. So 59 inches. Now, do this. 7. We need the shower curtain to be 92 inches.
Okay.
77 inches.
For the curtain.
It's the width.
95 for the height.
Length.
All right, Lindsay's opening the shed. Well, I guess I can call it like a furnished office space. Okay. Dang, it's huge in here. What's that smell? It just smells like paint, like good paint.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know. Fragile. Is it even recording?
Yeah.
Alright, this is my tower of Ew! I'm getting them done Thursday. They're so bad. Okay, wait. Delilah! 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 Mommy's a giant. This is like 7 foot, I think.